Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Political leaders and their supporters in Ekeremor local government area of Bayelsa State have unanimously endorsed the re-election bid of Governor Douye Diri. They made this known at the end of a meeting convened recently in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital, where they also called on the governor to complete several ongoing projects in Bayelsa West Senatorial District during his anticipated second term in office.
On the 11th of November 2023, Bayelsans will go to the polls to elect a governor who will preside over state affairs for the next 4 years. Having assessed the track records of all governorship candidates, political leaders in Ekeremor local government area of Bayelsa State met recently in Yenagoa, where they threw their full weight behind incumbent Governor Douye Diri. Member representing Sagbama Ekeremor Federal Constituency, Honorable Fred Agbedi, and one-time Speaker of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Boyelaye Fadebekeme, said Governor Diri deserves a second term in office, judging from his commitment to infrastructure development in Bayelsa West Senatorial Districts, notably the Sagbama Ekeremor Road and Age Deep Sea Port projects.
The governor comes from Ekeremor local government, and it's always our duty to be first in ensuring that we publicly affirm our support and make a publication to congratulate him and urge all Ekeremor citizens, indigenes, to ensure that we turn out massively to vote for Governor Douye Diri on November 11th.
The road to Age had been in the drawing board of the federal budget since I was a baby. He has made the dream of Ekeremor people come true. So we have no option than to come in mass to vote for Douye Diri for the second tenure to get the best out of all that God has given him.
In supporting Governor Diri's re-election bid, Dane Benadomene and Thompson Amule, both political leaders in Ekeremor, take into cognizance his role in the landslide victory of the People's Democratic Party in this year's state and National Assembly elections.
In the National Assembly election, our candidate Fred Agbedi won, and in the state assembly, all our 3 candidates from the 3 constituencies won. So that's why we have come to thank the people. And secondly, to also congratulate Governor Douye Diri on his emergence as the PDP flag bearer, and to say that Ekeremor local government, which is his own mother's local government, is totally behind the second tenure bid. And that is all the affirmation the people give, that they are ready to go with Douye Diri for the second tenure bid, and we know that it will come out successfully.
We just came out from 2 major elections, and all the elections we were victorious. So we now call our people to thank them for the efforts they put in for the success of the election. And we are also telling them that, look, the governorship election is coming hereafter. So we still want that same energy to be maintained to make sure that we win the election.
In a related development, Governor Douye Diri recently presented a grant of 200 million naira to 840 beneficiaries under his administration's Women and Youth Empowerment Program, designed to benefit small and medium-scale entrepreneurs in Bayelsa State. The grants presented to 4 beneficiaries each from 105 political wards across 8 local government areas of Bayelsa State was to provide startup capital for beginners and encourage already established entrepreneurs to expand their businesses. Addressing the beneficiaries in Yenagoa, Governor Diri observed that the empowerment program was conceived to promote entrepreneurship in a period of rising unemployment rates and economic hardship.
This program is an initiative of the Prosperity Administration, and it was designed primarily for the small and medium-scale enterprises, and again also to encourage those who are willing to do that business but have no seed money to start up the businesses. We are not just talking prosperity, we are walking prosperity.
Beneficiaries of the Economic Empowerment Program were full of kind words for the Bayelsa State Governor.
I am into fish farming, and if you can bear with me, the proceeds is much, but the intake, what the feeds, what you get to feed those fishes, they are very costly. But now it will sound like a soft landing for me. To me, it's more like the governor care, because the governor is trying to say, okay, this business you're doing, I care for you, so take to assist your business. So not that not that it will buy everything, but at least it's a support, it's a lending hand.
I want to open a salon, a hair making. I'll start from somewhere. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small, but I appreciate him. May God continue to bless him and his good work and the people following him.
The Economic Empowerment Program, conceived by the prosperity government of Senator Diri, has been running for 11 months and has empowered over 2,300 beneficiaries. In an uncommon display of benevolence, the Bayelsa State Governor had directed that an additional 1 million naira be given to a beneficiary, Inyanayo Inara, who was shot in the leg during the People's Democratic Party PDP governorship campaign in Nembe.
Inside the Niger Delta,